In this video, I'm going to talk about online and free access to our two building code sites. Okay, we have ICC, which is International Code Council, that provides the basis of all the building codes for pretty much every state in the country, as well as internationally, International Code Council. The other one we're going to talk about is NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, which also provides building codes for most of the country having to do with fire control and how to install things in a safe manner for basically, again, all around for fire control and building safety. So starting off with the ICC codes, all of these codes are available for free, okay, online through their website. So what you need to do is you go to https codes.iccsafe.org, and I'll put this in the comments. And you can either find the codes through a search, or you can do a map search by clicking on the map over there. Okay, and you can find the codes you're looking for. For example, if I'm looking for Florida code, okay, I click on the state of Florida, and now I see all of my building codes that are currently used in the state of Florida. You find all the codes that are currently used. Now you have two choices here. You can buy the code or you can use free views. So if I want to come over into, let's look at mechanical code, which is the Florida Building Code, International Mechanical Code. Okay, it's just the same code with some, okay, I can come in here, I click on free view, I click on the section I want to go to, let's say ventilation. Okay, and now on the left-hand side here, I have every portion of the section that is just a clickable link, and then I can read the code and I see the current building code. Okay, you can come back here to, you can use the index here, come back to the table of contents if you wanted. Okay, and again, you come completely through here. Now, let's say I want to go to another state like Connecticut. Okay, I can come up here to Connecticut. Okay, and as you hover over it with your pointer, okay, the state comes up over here on the right. Or you can say, just give me the listing. So I'm going to go to Connecticut. Okay, I'm going to come in here to Connecticut. They're still on some older codes. Okay, so I'm going to go into mechanical. I'm going to click free view. And it asks you which version you want. Okay, and I'm going to go into the updated printing. I want the well, I don't want significant changes this time. I'm going to go to the third printing. That's the most recent. Okay, I'm going to click exhaust systems, and then we can learn everything we want to know about exhaust systems. Okay, this online access is actually really great. It's a great thing that ICC is doing this, because it allows you to have the codes on, access the codes on devices, on mobile devices, without actually having to purchase the PDF files and stuff like that. So it's a great resource. So NFPA is a little bit different. Still the same idea that the free accesses are there. So I'm going to click on view the list of codes, because that's where we want to start with. Let's say I want to learn everything about, let's go down here, oil burning. Let's do something different. Let's do air conditioning. Scroll down here and find something interesting. Actually, let's look at the National Electrical Code. Okay, National Electrical Code is NFPA 70. So we click on the link for NFPA 70. Okay, we come up with what the current is. We're going to click on free access. Okay, it's going to say which edition do you want. Okay, again, you have a number of different editions. We want the 2017, since that's pretty much the law of the land now. If you have never come in here before, you're going to create a profile. Okay, you have to do it one time. You have to create an email profile. It just wants to know who you are. Click sign in. Okay. And agree to their little, there's a disclaimer that you're not going to make copies and stuff without giving them credit. Okay, and then you can go to the table of contents over here on the right side. This is just a pop-up window. And you can go find everything you want to find about whatever section. Okay, in this case, we're going to talk about, we're looking at branch circuits. Okay, we can talk about overcurrent protection, what the requirements are. Okay, and what articles that it references to. So, for example, if I want to go to Article 440, okay, I can come down here and I'm going to go to Article 440 to learn about air conditioning branch requirements for overcurrent. So let's click to 440. Okay, and this is the electrical for the air conditioning equipment. Okay, so again, code access through an FPA is basically just used in this. If I want to go back to, let's find another code, I can go back to the list of standards. Okay, I'm going to look at oil burning equipment. Okay. Not something that's going to be used where I am in Florida, but something that's going to be used in the Northeast. Okay, we're going to again look at free access. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to use the latest version, which is 2016. I'm going to agree to the disclaimer. And now I have access to all the oil burning, equipment. I can go to the table of contents by pulling it up. And let's say I want to find out how much air is needed. I can now go through here and find out how much air and everything else is needed. So your two resources that are available for free are going to be your NFPA and your ICC codes. Okay, and again, they're through their own websites. I will put the link into the comments of this video.